evening people, good evening world, good evening earth, good evening Philippines. Naining is Sarah again, welcome to my channel. Today's video guys, I'm doing unboxing that I ordered in Lazada, a plate guys. I ordered plate in Lazada. It's color white guys. I forget what's the name of this plate guys. I'll prove it, but I just ordered a 1 dozen guys. Let's see if it's not broken here inside. Wait, time check now is 8 p.m. But before I start to unbox this guys, I felt very warm. First, I'm the exerciser so that I've got an energy to do unboxing this guys. Ma-exercise ito, kigaluya. Exercise mga guys, mga ring-pining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. My dog is so sleepy. Exercise at mga dugi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7. Wait, may exercise ako dugi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Akay, gibira ako. Dali lang guys, may exercise ako. Okay, huwag pag-exercise, di ba? May exercise ko. Huwag payo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ma-exercise ko, irong. Uy, irong. Irong ma-exercise. Sabad. Okay. 1, 2, 4. Uy, guilty. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang bigay. Eh, ako. Kasamutan man ni Hoy. May exercise pagkamit na. Wait, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's this one. Portrait. Gani kung kabalhin ko diri sa ubuso, oy. Balhin kin ang ito akong lubot. Kasi may exercise ko. Dili ko kakilute. Wait, ginoo. Guilty is smart. You make guilty strong na. Na. Enough that guilty. That's enough. That's enough. Exercise at that. Because you make guilty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Ay, di na ako doon mag-exercise. Ay, di ma-unboxing mo ito. And to this video, guys, I wanna start to do unboxing. Di hawa naman mag-unboxing na ko. Kasi, ang upan natulog na kung mong kiat dire. And to this video, guys, where's that my eyeglasses? Where's my hair? This is, guys, unboxing church night. I wanna open this one, guys. This is a plate, guys. I have no broken this one, guys. This is Yinshine. Yinshine. Oh, dulai. Oh, ano? Ano? Yuti. Oh, yuti. Okay. Okay, dili ka. This is, guys, I'm the unboxing 12 pieces set 9 flats. 12 pieces seats. It's size 9 plates. It's white, mga guys. Like this. Product name. Color. 12 pieces set 9 plates. I don't know what. Yinshine. Wait, irog ba ka ma-unboxing ako? And this one, guys, I wanna start off in It's difficult if the eyes is blurred. Need to use eyeglasses so that it can be so clear, guys. Wait. It's very good packaging, guys. Okay. I did. Wait. No, I forget to bring the scissor here. It's difficult for me to unbox this one. Where's the scissor? No scissor here. I forget to bring. Wait, guys. I just pick up first the scissor. Don't bite. Ha, don't bite. Don't bite. I just get some scissor. Ay, nasamok ka man. Ay, pangatulog mo dito. Ipaningot mo biya ako. Okay. We're doing unboxing. Para plain na cute eh. Sisit. Para plain cute eh. Kadili makita akong unboxing. Para plain. Okay. Here is it mga guys. Para plain ba na cute eh. Cute eh. Here is it. Wait, cute eh. No. Oh, it's very nice, mga guys. This is our order, mga guys. It's great. Because I like the color. It looks neat. But, it's small. This is not guys. It's very nice. Now, this one, as I remember, I think this is, I'll pay this all plus shipping, guys. This is mga 300 pesos. It's more than 300 pieces the price, guys. Then, plus shipping, I paid it. Uy, I'll pay this 442 all. It's very nice, guys. It looks very clean. It's very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I like it so much, guys. It's worth it. The price that I'll buy, mga guys, it's 442. It's plus shipping. And that is the price. Thanks so much for watching. Kinagan sa mukhan, guys. Again, it's very nice. It's very nice. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that updated kayo for my next video. Look at the camera. For my next video. Agad say my next video, mga guys. It's very nice. Okay. I'm done. After this, we're going to sleep. Igihito naman ito ni mo. Sabot. Oh, gisi-gisi. Manini mo. Oh. Ikaw, tulog na. You're not sleeping, mga guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, exercise na kita usap na ka. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification. So that updated kayo for my next video. See you my next video, mga guys. This is Agata. See you my next video, mga. See you my next video, Agata. Dito si Agata. See you my next video, Agata. Agoy! Si Beauty is jealous. See you my next video, mga guys. Agay. See you my next video, mga guys. Pakita, dali, dali. Kada mo diction ta. Mag-diction min ako. Ito, ako. See you my next video, mga guys. Di na ko. Surrender na ko. Di na ko. Hugaw na ba kayo kung tiin ko? Surrender na ko po. Di na ko po. Surrender na ko po. Apoy, bibira ng buhok ko. Okay, di na ko.